Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and next up is a red FN2 Honda Civic TypeR for an Ecutek remap. Me and R Jensen are going to strap it, and then we're going to do a base power run to see where we're at, and we'll go through the mods and things as we go in the video, so stay tuned. Go Richard, another FN2 mapped and in the bag.
Yeah,
this one's got some mods.
Yeah, it got some good mods on it. It's already got mods, but it also had a Marlin ECU in there as well.
So it had been mapped.
Yeah, so it's automatically it was already been
and it
mapped
wasn't.
as well,
it wasn't a. It had been mapped as well because it had like 37 tunes on it.
Yeah, it did. So I think obviously it's had a Marlin ECU, then it's been tuned somewhere else on its previous mods.
Yeah.
And then obviously we're tuning it now on its new mods.
Yeah.
I don't think we made a lot of power, if I'm going to be brutally honest.
We made, from sort of crossover, we made like 12 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, we have. But when that relates to everything being taken into account and all calculations and all the rest of it and correction figures, yeah, it sits as about the same, don't it? Well, peak numbers anyway.
Peak numbers, yeah,
numbers,
it does.
It sits as the same.
It's got a downward swept tailpipe, so you guys haven't seen the flames because it's actually got a Pops and Bangs map on it now.
Yeah, it has. I mean, like I say, it's a weird one, isn't it? Because the wheel horsepower showed increase, so where it's going to be now is in drivability, isn't it? Like if the customer drives it and says, "Yeah, that feels loads better to me,"
I should think he will do.
Then that's obviously that's great.
We'll wait and find out what he says.
Yeah, wait and find out what he says. But yeah, look, there's a lot else to say on this one, is there really?
No.
Oh, it's got a 3-inch exhaust on it, ain't it? With a downswept tip. It's got 4-to-1 decat manifold on it. It's on standard inlet, ain't it?
Yeah.
What induction kit's
on there?
It's got
a Tegiwa induction kit, you know, the one that goes down in that.
Oh, the plastic one, yeah. So it's got Tegiwa induction kit. So yeah, a reasonable amount of mods. What do we finish on?
221.
221. There we go.
Not bad. Like I say, we made some gains. So
yeah.
Should we have a look at the graph?
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph. So there is our graph. Say it with me. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. You can see from the change point there that we've made wheel horsepower right the way to the end of the rev range. Obviously, correction figures, amongst other things, like losses as everything warms up. We finish on 222, which is 183 at the wheels. Another beautiful red FN2. I love an FN2, so code word is going to be Milano for this video. But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And it's time for some days off because it's Easter weekend. But we are here on the Saturday because it is the last Saturday of the month, which means Honda Meet. So I look forward to seeing all you guys. Stay safe. Peace out.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.